Yo, mom.
Got him, dude.
I have two dads. I have two dads, and I was made in a laboratory.
I mean, one's a bitch, so whatever.
You're right. If I was your dad, I'd say, "That's my boy."
Why do I want to dodge this game? That's weird. I just have this like weird feeling that I want to like dodge this game.
Oh my gosh, I like how we get bind twice, and then both games get canceled, and then we get Haven.
Haven.
I Haven.
I actually like Haven. I like Haven. You know,
Yeah, I was trying to make a joke, but it doesn't even make sense.
There's no T.
It's not even true.
Raise on Haven is not Fog. Correct. Correct. He's a raise one trick.
I'll play C.
He's a raise one trick. You know what? You know, I don't Haven, but like I hate when Vipers do this fucking wall at the beginning of the round. Like, this is the worst wall in the game, dude. It is so garbage. He just walls off garage and it lets them enter the full. I can't do it.
She has to do it from here to here to here.
It's just no.
Placing swarm grenade.
Oh,
That's my bad. I tried to not shoot the jet because she pushed first, and I was gonna just wait till they all push sight, but she last second turned around, hit me.
You're wailing my knock right now, man.
I know, that was my bad.
Hey, Viper.
He's just insane, dude. He's built different.
That's the second time I got to kill the second round. I use it just to fly.
I'm insane!
Guys, he's radiant. He's radiant. He's radiant.
Can I do it again?
Do it again.
I did it again! Let's go!
Insane.
Another one? No,
Get it. Our race is
there's no way they peek me again, right? Oh, he's in. Fuck, dude.
No smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go! I haven't been. That was awesome. I love it. They're saying retire right now. That's my peak.
Hey,
I know exactly.
Jet ult, so
Cover going out.
Spike planted.
No more meddling. Shadows traveling.
One short.
don't get on bomb soon.
Both there.
I got halfway.
One enemy remaining.
Pocket. Nice. Bomb.
Let's go!
You're insane. Played that really patient.
We had so much time. I was just sitting in that smoke. I was like, okay.
That was a really good play.
I was waiting for my teammates to push up because I had a lot of territory right there. I was just like, I'm chilling. I'm holding them long. Like,
That was good.
oh! Two in the corner. Oh, you're insane. What a flash. That was insane, dude. They just scattered. Like 4 of them got flashbanged and they're like, it's like there's you ever play Dark Souls when you have like a torch, Dark Souls 2, and like the dude's like like that. That was amazing.
30 seconds left.
I want to swap it up. I want to keep myself in the game. I'm gonna go to A. I'm gonna go short this round. I'm gonna play short this round. I gotta keep myself moving.
Yo. My brother was playing. I'm back.
Joke's over. You're dead.
You know, my mom's like, let the dog out.
Watch them run.
He's there.
Stealing sight.
They could be in our spawn.
They might.
Oh, he's in garage. Fuck. I thought she cleared it for sure.
I'm just saying those crosshairs
We
were
want
on
to
her
switch
head.
or do something else?
Yo, let me take C. I'm struggling. Much appreciated.
Mucho. Apreciando.
True.
I am top radiant.
You speak Spanish.
I do. You wanna push this?
I prefer not to, but
Okay, we don't push. We no push.
I will. I'm gonna use my
No,
bot.
no, you told me not to.
Fine.
Last time they pushed A with her ult.
Smoked my turd out. What a loser.
But they're not doing anything.
I don't understand why we need this fucking game. Come on.
For their kill.
I have spike, I have spike, I have spike.
Shadows traveling.
How'd I get hit by that turret? Where's Spike?
It's on me.
Oh,
B, still on
One
B.
enemy remaining.
JK.
JK, choose for yourself.
Spawn.
Last player
You're
standing.
fucking kidding me, dude.
He's at 80.
We lose the easiest
I know
rounds.
exactly where you
Why?
You got this. You're fully taken.
Ow! I couldn't get a fucking rifle, dude.
See long.
Jesus. We lose the easiest rounds, Lucas.
Yeah, that's probably my fault though.
Like
Last
the
round
hand
in
gift
the half.
wrapped
Last round.
to
use our
blah,
tricks
blah,
and abilities.
and it's
Don't
like,
let
how
your
do we?
guard
I don't even know. Oh God!
I don't know, man. I just.
It begins.
Don't let Tilt take the wheel. Tilt
have
took
a-
the
Want me
wheel.
to play
Don't
C
tell me
or
not to let
B?
Tilt take the wheel. It will. I will. I will tilt as much as I want. Okay?
Shadows
I say short. I say short.
stealing sight.
Okay, whatever. Fucking. Fuck. It's A short, he said.
Cover going out.
Are we walking or are we running, boys? Figure something out.
Garage and C. They're pushing this. Chill, chill, chill. Let them push. Let them push.
Shadows traveling.
Can we go 8 then if they're pushing? Piece making a play. Nobody's there to back you up, by the way.
I know.
We're trying to pinch A. Make your way to A.
Yeah, go to A for sure.
One short.
We're pushing.
Close right, close right, close right, don't let him
I
fight!
know exactly where you are.
He's in short. He's A short.
No, he's the tank! He's the tank! Go short, go short!
One enemy remaining.
Good job, boys. Good cleanup. That guy's good.
Nah, lucky, you got lucky.
Oof.
Garage lit. Insane.
CT.
One enemy remaining.
Let's
Oh my
go,
gosh,
boys. Good
King
job.
is insane at this game.
Let's go.
Dude, Phoenix, huge on site.
I like how my turret does 1 damage. Like, why? Why does it only do 1? I'm pretty sure it's supposed to do 12 game. You gotta check those numbers. How's it 1? Is he wall banging? My turret walling?
Just shooting people through walls, just tagged them in the toe. Like,
Literally body shot 1 damage on Cypher. You're welcome. I know you did get that kill at the end.
they're rotating the A right now. I smoked heaven.
Do we go C? Do we go hurt? Back C, back C, back C.
Raze, don't commit. Raze, don't commit.
Take C, take C, take C, take C.
Wait, does our Raze have a buggy? No, one of them have a buggy.
30 seconds left.
Phoenix, we need to take C, bro.
Get on C.
All spawn. All spawn.
Garage, I think. Nope.
All rotating spawn.
Falling out one.
No fucking way. That Omen fucking ass.
I'm playing for Raze, not trying to bait you by hand.
One enemy remaining.
Dude, I'm
my
just
gosh,
I'm just
dude, this
diddling
Raze
with
is like
their
0 and 7.
I'm
Now he's
windling their
top
knocks
right
right now,
just
dude. I'm windling their knocks.
Top right.
Match point.
Go short with
Some
me.
pressure.
Shadows traveling.
Someone needs to go short. He's there short.
Nobody went short, but it's okay. I have an ult.
Plant on my orb right here. You have bomb, Killjoy?
Jet's in heaven.
One player detained, but
I think
only
that's.
four
I think it's
minutes.
the Jet in heaven.
Yo, I have a lineup too.
Fight killer, yeah.
Yeah. This should be an easy win. GG, boys. They're gonna just push CT, I think.
Yeah,
One
they're both
enemy
there.
remaining.
Those work. All the way up there. Look at those.
GG, boys.
Attackers win.
Hey, I know I was the bottom frag on the team, but
Dude, that game was awesome. No, it doesn't matter that you were the bottom frag. We fucking killed it. I didn't rank up, but
I didn't either, so that's good.
oh, I was banned. I got banned for hacking. I'm just kidding. I lost count.
I was like actually like, so King's a hacker?
King's hacking.
You gotta turn them hacks up or something. Like, get them to 100% so we can rank up, boys.
Let's go.